Okay, you coming with us, right? I don't see anything.
One guy on their team had red on.
Okay.
I don't see a thing.
I'm gonna move up here to the left. Up in the middle.
Am I clear straight ahead of me?
I think so. I got one up towards the middle. Got a red bandana. Got a couple up towards the middle. Okay, there's one by the black barrels. It's up towards in the middle. He just shot at me. Yeah, there's one at the black barrels. They're stacked up towards the middle. That's him shooting. Yeah, he's still at the barrels. All right. Yeah, watch stuff going. All right. Holy shit, man. Oh my.
Nothing on our side that I see.
Yeah, nothing I see. I don't see anything. I'm at the tree stump. Okay. It's up towards the middle. Hey Colin, come check me. In the pack or anything?
No, I don't see anything.
Okay. Yeah, I didn't think, but
Yeah, always good to be.
yeah. I'm still in. I'm at their base. I'm at their base. Okay. Yeah, me neither. I don't see anything. Same team. Yeah, go ahead, man. Yeah, I'm still here. Nope.
One with the red and the white. Still out here.
You out? Alright, another guy's out. I don't think it did, to be honest.
Think there's still one out here?
I got the one with the red bandana. I think that might be game.
Yep, you want to go see if they're all on? See if there's 6 waiting over there. We got 5 we know of.